There will be a great rejoicing when the Lord shall call his own, and the mighty trumpet sound home. All the saints will come together, not a one be left alone, when that mighty trumpet sound.
At the breaking of the Lord's eternal day,
give the trumpet loud to sound, loud to sound. Saints of God in white apparel shall arise in white array, when the mighty sound forth. Multitudes will be sad-hearted at the great and final call, when the trumpet sound the echo loud and clear. Not a one will fail to hear it. It will summon one and all must answer to the call.
at the breaking of the Lord's eternal day,
Give a trumpet loud to sound, loud to sound. Saints of God in white apparel shall arise in white array, when the mighty trumpet sounds Every nation under heaven will assemble on that day, when the trumpet sound is heard distinctly heard. Earth will cease her operation, everything will pass away, when the heavenly trumpet sound.
at the breaking of the Lord's eternal day,
Give the trumpet loud to sound, loud to sound. Saints of God in white apparel shall arise in white array, when the mighty trumpet sounds forth.
at the breaking of the Lord's eternal day,
Give the trumpet loud to sound, loud to sound.